Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change your team name in Canva. To change the name of your team in Canva, first of all, launch open the Canva application on your mobile device and log into your account. After you're inside the home page of Canva, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner from the home screen. This will pop you open the menu button. Go ahead and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Now, scroll all the way down and click on the Settings button. Inside Settings, go ahead and look for your team you want to change the name on and tap on the Team Details button. Now, click the Edit button right next to your team name at the top. Erase your current team name and type in the new name for your team. Finally, click on Save. Right after you do that, you will be able to change the name of your team in Canva. And that's it for today. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.